In the last video, we looked at gas fees, and in this video and the next one, I'm going to go over the two different types of gas fees that actually are. We have the first one, which is one-time fees, and we have the second type of gas fee, which is recurring fees. This video is just going to focus on the first one, which is one-time fees. So, what is a one-time fee? A one-time fee is what you have to pay when you are using Ethereum for the first time. These transactions are required to grant transaction permission between your wallet and OpenSea. Which basically means if you are making your first NFT purchase on OpenSea or any other marketplace that is, you will have to pay a one-time fee for this first transaction to grant permission between your wallet and OpenSea. Let's actually go ahead and have a look at what this fee looks like. So when you actually register your account, it's called the account registration fee. You don't pay any fees just for making your OpenSea account. However, as soon as you decide to list a NFT for sale, you can see you have this initialization fee. You can see right here, initialize your wallet. Right here, number one, it says to get set up for selling on OpenSea for the first time, you must initialize your wallet, which requires a one-time gas fee. So this is the one-time fee which I'm referring to. Once you go ahead and pay that fee, you can then list future NFTs in the same collection at no additional cost. You only pay a fee on the NFT once it is sold. It's not that bad. A lot of people are not a fan of this one-time fee they have to pay when listing the first collection. However, I'm actually a fan of this, as this account initialization fee, what it does is it prevents the marketplace from being flooded with absolute junk on there. You'll be surprised at how many people want to create this really basic, boring NFT and try and charge a lot of money for it. And loads of people would be able to get away with it if there wasn't this one-time fee, as they can literally list as many things as they want in different collections without paying any fees. Having this account initialization fee, well, it just helps keep the marketplace more clean, tidy, and prevents newcomers from spamming the marketplace with low quality NFTs. The second one-type fee you can have is when you are involved in any auctions. So if you are involved in any auctions on OpenSea, you need to convert your Ethereum to what we call wrapped Ethereum, and this is basically a currency that allows you to make pre-authorized bids that can be fulfilled at a later date without any further action from you. So if you plan on taking part in any biddings on the marketplace, you will have to pay some fees for that as well, as you need to convert your currency into a different format currency, which allows your bids to automatically increase until they reach your maximum placed bid. It's good to note as well that Ethereum and wrapped Ethereum are worth exactly the same amount and can be exchanged directly on your OpenSea profile. You don't have to go somewhere else to send Ethereum to wrapped Ethereum, then send it back to your wallet, then buy the NFT. It's actually very straightforward and simple to do. The only downside is, of course, you have to pay these fees. That is it for one-time fees. There's not that much to it. These are the two most common ones you are going to see. And that brings us to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to cover the second type of gas fees. Thanks for watching.